What's the meaning of beseeching? Beseeching. Beseeching.
Beseeching. Beseeching. The word beseeching is often used to describe a pleading or imploring tone or manner. It is derived from the verb beseech, which means to ask for earnestly and urgently. When someone is beseeching, they are typically asking for something with great urgency or desperation. They may be using a variety of techniques to try to convince the person they are speaking to, including using emotional appeals, offering rewards, or making logical arguments. Beseeching can be seen in a wide variety of situations, from interpersonal relationships to business negotiations to political lobbying. The goal of beseeching is generally to persuade someone to take a particular action or grant a request.